To take orders on the POS, the tables have to be created on DineConnect. This table arrangement can be designed according to the requirement. Now, let us get familiar with some of the attributes of POS. On this screen, you can see groups, tables, and departments. Different departments are visible on the footer here. This is the table arrangement. Here on the top, you can see the different groups. As an example here, indoor, outdoor are different groups where different table arrangements are created. The tables are associated with the groups. Now, let's see how to create groups on DineConnect. For this, go to DineConnect. In the Connect section, select Groups in Tables. Click on Create Table Group button. Select the location. Add the name. Next, we need to add the tables to this group. For this, we have to first create tables. Now, let's save this page and create tables. For this, go to the Tables page. Click on Create Table. Add table name, and packs. Similarly, add all the tables. Next, we will go back to Groups to associate tables to the group. Click on Edit for the required group. Now to link the tables, click on the tables here. Selected tables will be visible on the right column. Now save the group. This way we can create the groups and tables and create arrangements as required.